Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're so new right on over here, let me extend to you a very special welcome and thank you so very much. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey, it's 2019 and you're still here, manners and respect, big up on yourself. Now today this is just like, this is a small little video, it's not big enough. Because you know, say, today is Sunday and I want to share with you how all them whole long haul big cooking we want to see we doing at the Christmas and at the New Year and we eat. I just want to share with you today how to go about doing a roast, chicken breast roast, a chicken breast or a chicken breast roast. Now I am just gonna be seasoning this breast. Me now go with no whole excess with the herbs where I just want to take it light seasoning. I want to start bringing over to you different types, different flavors, and light yet satisfying seasoned chicken breast. Now you will see, I know you're gonna ask how I get the chicken breast of this, but the chicken breast like this, but in the video following this one, you will see. Now what I'm about to do, I'm about to make a small little marinade for this chicken breast. It is small, maybe to just serve for 2 people. Or if you're very long like for me, this just simply one. I want to put in here a little salt. And look here, use what you want to use. This is a sea salt, yet still it coarse like salt, we then take for pickle. But I'm going to be using just about that. Okay? And I'll be grating some rind of this lemon. I'm going to be grating the rind of the lemon. It is going to take me a little time, so I'm just going to be sit here. I'm just going to be grating some. So I'm just going to grate off the rind after this lemon and return. Now look at this. I've grated enough to the size of the chicken breast. This is what I got. And you're to grate the lemon and make sure you don't use this white part here. Now I'm going to be needing the juice from this lemon. Half or 3/4. It looks like a little more than half, but maybe work with half, no? So you take some of the rind depending on the size of your chicken breast, okay? Sometimes people are saying, Miss Debbie, what's the amount, how much ounce? You know, some of the times, you know, family, I think you can just look, but because some people love to click off the videos, they don't get it. You can just look, because I can show you this from my chicken breast. Yet, suppose you want to do 2 or 3 of those chicken breasts. You just know if you do it. Or suppose you have a big chicken breast. This chicken breast is not a big one, as I told you. So you would just, you know, my mother would have said, use your discretion or your initiative. We don't know which one are the right one. So you want to dissolve that in there. And of course, we have got to put in some garlic. We're going to be grating off this garlic. 3 pegs of garlic. And not all, about half. So just a half thumb. Half of a thumb. For me, thumb not big enough. So just look like this. Some of them measurements I go work with, you know. Like the very first joint. See here your thumb finger. This is like one of the joints. So a piece like this. So you know, so you're going to stop it about right here. We're going to grate off that and the garlic and return. Now we're going to be putting, I'm using a little tarragon vinegar. You could use apple cider. Apple cider and like our spice, any vinegar that has a little spiciness, you know, to eat. So we're going to put a little, because we have the lemon in there. Now we don't really want to burn out the line in our stomach. You understand? Because the lemon juice is acidic and the vinegar is acidic. We don't burn out the line in our stomach. So we're going to put now some fresh thyme. Reasonable amount of fresh thyme leaves right in there. Right? Remember, we put the salt. This is definitely just what we're going to be using. Nothing more. A lightly seasoned roast of chicken breast. Lightly seasoned. We just go mild because them only put all different kind of taste and roast that we add in our mouth from in December. This is what you have. Look at this. And don't mind the little crumbs of garlic that we have leaving there. Nothing is wrong with that. So look at this. And you smell it. It is just so nice. You know. If you want to put a little pepper, you can put a little pepper. I would say a little white pepper. Okay. But I don't have. So now we want to get our chicken with some little pokes in there. We have a little meat going on in this thing, you know. Wow. So we want to, you know, gently. Now, but that manhandle the little fowl breast. You can use the name big already. Take time with the breast them. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So we do that. Because most of the meat is here. We don't have nothing around here but like, but you see, I'm doing a little bit in Talawa, you know. You know? So you're going to come now. And you're going to put this. So remember, you know, if the chicken breast is bigger, you would have go with more. Family, please just to look and to, you know, some of the things them, the whole for measurement story now. Girl. So you're going to come now and you're going to use this. And you know definitely what we are going to do. We're going to use this to massage right through. And then when we return massaging, we are going to show you what we are going to do. Really gently, okay? Now look at this. So we end up with our both hands. Now, when you smell this chicken, on top of how we washed it, there's no raw smell because the vinegar and that lemon juice has captured all of that. And we are going to leave it inside wherever now. And you're going to get a piece of plastic wrap to cover it over. I'm going to go, let me go wash my hands. Okay? Now look here. I'm not entertain no stupidity in 2019, you know. No stupidity about loading. You did not wash your hands and not be entertaining it. Okay? I'm going to have to show some wash my hands. I just want to do it, okay? I don't have to show. And I'll not be entertaining any stupidity, y'all. That is for the people who like to do and who like stupidity. So look at this. I'm going to be leaving it covered with a piece of plastic wrap, gently seasoned, and you must make sure so you have enough salt intake to how you eat salt. So covering it and leaving it for probably 2 hours. When we return, we'll be just as gentle as you see. We rub it up, lightly seasoned. That's how gentle and how slow we'll be pot roasting it. See you in the next clip. Okay, now family, we are ready to roast. The first thing you need to have is hot water. You see my steam? You have to have the hot water. So remember, when we seasoned, you have to leave it in somewhere in your refrigerator to let it keep cool. Then even at 15 minutes or 10 before, you take it from the refrigerator to let it come back to room temperature. Alright? Now we have our pot right on over here. You know, Sir Jessie, you know, Sir, she run things. You're going to be having like about that amount of oil in there, preheated, and this is really hot. It sounds like it's hot. It smells really hot. So you want to be putting in a chicken breast. Careful, skin side down. And you'll be scraping out all your seasonings, every single thing. On the very, not really low, but a little bit below medium. A little bit below medium. Put them up on the camera, girl. A little bit below medium. This is just one chicken breast and you start to smell the lemon flavor coming out. We're going to be covering it and we're going to be watching it medium because we'll be turning from side to side just as our pot roast anything. It won't take that long. It's chicken. So we'll be turning it. We'll be waiting until it does all this juice and the waterness has dried wateriness because they have oil, a little oil and water in there now. Okay? So you're going to wait until this liquid subsides till it dry out. Yeah? And then now, when we are ready to turn, we'll show you how we are going to proceed from there. Okay, now family, this is what I'm talking about. This is right here where the water is receding. Look at it. It's mostly juice that is like oil, more like the little oil. So you want to up the flame a bit, just a teeny bit. And you want to back off of the camera. You want to put a little, remember, not on the meat, always to the side. Now look at what is happening, that it's gone to the side. It's boiling. So you want to lower the flame now. I hope you are following me. And you want to take up all of this lemony, vinegary juice that you see in there. And you're going to use it to baste your little chicken breast roast all over, very gently. Very gently. You want to use it. This is a flavor that it will give it. Remember, we put the oils in there. Yeah. Right down to the lowest. Then right back to the temperature at what you're roasting. I hope you're following that. Now you will need to turn this. Whoops. Careful. Now that you have turned, you see you start getting that real mild color. We want, when it's finished, we want it to finish with this, not too brown and not too white color. We're going to turn it now onto this side. We're going to up the flame a little bit, just like the one that we used to before now. So we're going to cover it, and we're going to continue doing it just like that until it's roasted. When it's roasted, you're not going to see no excess juice coming from it. There'll be no excess juice coming from it. You're supposed to know by now when your meat is roasted, okay? You know how we test it. When we squeeze it like this with a fork, there'll be no, look at it. You see the juice is running out? No juice not supposed to run out. Look out, see the juice running? None not supposed to running out. So to be running out, we're gonna proceed like this, just the same, a little at a time. As soon as the liquid dries out, turning from side to side until we have all of that color all over this roast of chicken breast. So you know, so it's not gonna take long like the pork and all of them something there. So we're gonna continue doing it. I can't say what time. I don't know the size of your chicken breast roast. I don't know how your stove and all of them sitting there. You're gonna gauge it. Do for yourself. Learn. Adjust yourself. Do for yourself. Learn as we go along to do for yourself. You ain't gonna get it wrong, okay? So when we see you, this roast of chicken breast should be finished. We are going to present it, and then probably we show how we can eat it with something mild. We don't go everywhere, take good time. Okay, now family, look at it. We're all there. You want to turn it right over now. Turn it right back over how you're going to serve it. We're going to turn our flame off, and you can see no juice is running. So you want to leave it right there. Look inside your pot. We're not going to be making any gravy with this, you see? It's just going to be just all this roast chicken breast with all this juice in there. So you see just a little bit is left in there. So we're going to leave it there. With that heat from the flame, it's off, you know. So we're going to leave it in there to suck up all that juice. All those juices. And just to rest. Let that little roast that chicken breast just rest. So when you see us next, that will be plated. We'll show you some nice, just some light little things, some little vegetable stuff where you can have it with. We're going light. After all them big yamin, we have to take it slow. We soon come. Okay, now family, all finished, rested, and all plated. We just use these as a little garnish. All veggies, we blanched off some carrot slices. We use a little fresh celery, crunchy and nice. Remember to strip your celery stalks when using them like this. We had a little fresh baby spinach, and maybe the baby one for this if you're eating it raw. The other one then too barky, then can't eat them after cook. Baby spinach, so, and few slices of tomato, and there we have it. So let me present to you. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is lemon roasted chicken breast, mild lemon roasted chicken breast. You saw me, I did it from scratch. Please do enjoy. Now, I am not sure, I'm not gonna say healthy. I'm saying mild. Going low, going mild. It is up to the people that does healthy to say healthy. I can't say it, and I'm not gonna say it because I don't know. I am so confused by all of this healthy eating. So I just say mild, just go low. We're taking it low, we're taking it slow. Once more, please do enjoy. Now we want to see what is happening in this fowl breast. So what you want to do, that is how you're gonna serve it. You're gonna take your fork gently, every single step of the way is gently, family. I told you. You want to see what is happening inside the chicken breast. Let's give it another slice. You want to see if any blood are run inside it. You want to see what it looks like. This is what it looks like in there, okay? All white meat, all nice and juicy and tender, and all of that. Please do enjoy. Once more, from my kitchen to yours, please do enjoy. Now, if you like this little going low after Christmas, roasted crown of chicken breast, if you have liked it, remember to thumbs up the video. Please and thank you. Remember to share it, and also, please, the most importantly, remember to subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell. When you hit the bell, when all these videos are being uploaded, you will be in the first to know. Comment, and then you will be a member of the notification crew, depending on how fast you comment. Okay, post notification shout out today goes to right up above my head, somewhere up there you'll see your name. Okay, and remember that we have our PayPal donation button. It is still up on the channel, and I want to express a big thank you to all those who have been donating to our PayPal in order to help us to produce these videos. We do have a PO box, so those of you who would like to send, if it's even a piece of the follow or coconut you want to send to the post office, please remember that it will be in the description. And before you send, if you want to send anything before you send, please to get my correct name. Get in touch with me via WhatsApp or email to get my correct name. It's not Debbie Dongayard, and it's not West Indian Delights, okay? So once more, thank you so much. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe. We are going up, slowly coming up to the 50,000 mark. We're working on another giveaway for 50,000 subs and all of that. So from my kitchen to yours, once more, please do enjoy.